Hello my friend, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. A few days ago, I already found a PCB FM tuner tape recorder somewhere and broke it home. You have seen it, right? It is very dirty. It needs maintenance. It needs to be washed. This is an old tape recorder PCB that is no longer produced by the manufacturer, and now I want to use it. I am confused about what I should wash it and to make it clean again. I am trying to flip through the PCB thinking what to do clean with. I am confusing. Can you help me? And I thought if I use detergent and water, it will have the bad effect on the PCB. It will short circuit and the person cannot be used anymore. I look at the bottom copper PCB. It was still very clean. Look at like I did not need to wash it. Integrated power amplifier used for this amplifier is the AN7164 types produced by Panasonic. What I like about this PCB is that it's already used a stereo equalizer. One piece of this integrated circuit has a power capacity of 30 watts. If this is stereo, it means 30 watts times 2. Heatsink use is so great. See, what will I do? I should have taken a bucket that was a quarter full of water and mix 1 sachet of detergent soap. Then I soak it with my hand until foamy. Then I soak the PCB into the bucket filled with the soap liquid and I stir it slowly so that the PCB was evenly distributed. I even use this paint brush to clean hard to reach place. With full doubt I do this whether later this will work well. I do this work relaxingly with a full hope that I can use this PCB again and I can turn on my audio device, the equipment that I have repaired. But I do this work with passion and pleasure. And the job of cleaning this PCB board is almost done. I have to rinse with clean water. This is the result. You have seen it. Doesn't look so bright and clean after I flushing it with by water. In both areas from the top and bottom of the PCB are all clean. After which great difficulty I searched on the internet. Finally, I also found what brand this radio cassette recorder tuner is. This player and tuner has a brand, namely SEICO types SA-128TE. This brand is actually not very well known, especially in your country. After I washed the PCB, I had to connect the cable power input to the transformer's primary input. I will connect the 2 black wires to this PCB with a voltage of 15 volt AC. Then I connected the secondary of the transformer, which has a voltage of 16 volt AC, to the low input of the PCB. And I connected the feeder cable to the volume balance section of the tone setting PCB. And the next step, I connected some feeder cable to get some sliding potentiometer from the PCB. Feeder cable to the power peak meter. We have to remove the echo circuit PCB because we don't need it. Two signal jumpers, left and right, must be installed. Add a little glue on the jumper to make it easier for you for soldering bottom the PCB. Now you can freely solder on the bottom of PCB without the jumper falling off. Trim the excess end of the jumper using pliers or the nail trimmers. Do a second jumper for left signal and right signal like I did, but this uses some wires. Do you know what brand of solder I am using? I apologize to the viewer when I made this video in my environment. It was a bit noisy. I have set the 5-band graphic equalizer again. It seems that the sound is very good. The balance worked fine, but the volume slide has a creaking sound. Thank you for watching this video. With you watching this video, I can develop well.